We're given log base 2 of x is equal to 2a and log base 25 of x is equal to b. We want to solve the following questions. First, let's solve for log base 8 of x and replace it in terms of a and b. Okay, first we have to notice that 8 is just 2 cubed. So this is log base 2 cubed of x. Now the other thing we need to know is that whenever I have log base a raised to the b power of x, that's the same thing as taking this exponent, putting it outside as a reciprocal. So the reciprocal of b is 1 over b. So this is 1 over b log base a of x. So this is critical for the next 4 problems. Alright, so now this 3 is going to come outside the log with the reciprocal as 1/3. So we have 1/3 times log base 2 of x, which log base 2 of x is just 2a. So 1/3 times 2a gives us 2a over 3. The next problem is log base 5 of x. Clearly we want to use log base 25 of x, but 5 is not 25. 5 is a square root of 25. So let's write that. 5 is 25 raised to the 1/2 power. Now this 1/2 comes outside as a reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is just 2. So it's 2 times log base 25 of x, which log base 25 of x is b, so that's just 2b. Next one is log base cosine of 60 degrees of x. Cosine of 60 degrees is just 1/2. And notice 1/2, we can write that as a power of 2, because obviously we want to use log base 2 of x. So that's 2 to the negative 1. And then the negative 1 comes outside as a reciprocal, but the reciprocal of negative 1 is just itself. It's just negative 1. And then log base 2 of x is 2a, so we get negative 2a as our answer. Finally, we want to solve for log base square root of x to the 5b power. Okay, first notice that this 5b comes outside because whenever you have like log of x to the n, that's just n times log x. The exponent always comes out in front. So that's a 5b, and then the square root of x, I just wrote it as x to the 1/2 power. Now this 1/2 comes outside as a reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. 2 times 5b is 10b. So we have 10b times log base x of x. This is just 1. So 10b times 1 is 10b. And that is our final answers.